Hey guys, OP Games reached out to me and wanted to send me their Monopoly Squishmallows edition. So I'm gonna go over and show you guys everything in the box. Alrighty, so here I am just opening the box. Have to show you the little Squishmallow can that's exclusive to the box. He has a little tag with his bio. This little guy is so adorable, and again, he's exclusive to the box. Here is the Monopoly / Squishmallows money. The design is super cute. There's 1s, 5s, 10s, 20s, 50s, 100s, and 500s, just like regular Monopoly. And then here is the actual board. And instead of owning properties, you're owning Squishmallows. So around the board there are a bunch of the Squishmallows that you can own in the game. And then instead of Chance and Community Chest, there is Squish Squad and Mellow Days. Here is the instructions for the game. It is just like regular Monopoly, but a few of the things are changed to be Squishmallow themed. You can pause and read how to play. And then here are the little pieces you can play as. And these pieces are such great quality. They are super heavy. Little headphones. Feeling mallow, some sunglasses. This one's my favorite. And then the little houses and hotels. The houses are green, which I believe is the usual color. Maybe not. But the hotels are pink. They're like this nudish pink, and I love it. And then here we're moving on to the cards. There's again the Mellow Days cards and the Squish Squad cards, as well as the cards where you can own the Mellows. Oh, and there's also the ultra rare cards, which act as like the railroads in regular Monopoly. Tons of different Squishmallows you can own. And then here's a look at those ultra rare or select series cards. Here are some of the Squish Squad cards. Super cute. There's quite a few different ones. And then the Mallow Days. I hope you liked watching my in-depth of what's in the Monopoly Squishmallows box. And I wanted to give a special thank you to OP Games for sending me this game. I cannot wait to play it. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.